Celebrities share their favorite diet, health and weight loss advice. This is part 1 of 2. Celebrities share their favorite diet tips. Celebrities are often known for having strict diets to maintain their fit and toned physiques. Some of them even follow unique eating patterns that are worth trying out if you're looking to change up your diet. Here's a rundown of some favorite celebrity diet tips. Oh, and by the way, if you like this stuff, then like it and subscribe please. Thanks. Gisele Bündchen, one of the world's most successful supermodels, swears by an organic plant-based diet filled with fresh fruits and vegetables. She also avoids processed foods and sugar. Chrissy Teigen, a famous model and cookbook author, believes in moderation when it comes to food. She never deprives herself but sticks to healthy choices like grilled chicken or fish with lots of veggies. Jessica Alba follows a clean eating plan where she eats whole foods such as lean proteins, brown rice, quinoa or sweet potatoes paired with leafy greens all day long. Miranda Kerr prefers low-carb meals that include vegetables cooked in coconut oil or olive oil along with a protein source such as fish or chicken breast. Jennifer Aniston focuses on portion control rather than cutting out any specific food groups entirely. She enjoys indulging occasionally without overdoing it. Alicia Keys is vegetarian, which means she doesn't eat meat but consumes plenty of plant-based protein sources like beans, lentils and legumes. It's essential to note that what works for one person may not work for someone else. It's important always to listen to your body when adopting new dietary habits. Celebrities share their favorite health tips. Celebrities are not only concerned about their physiques but also prioritize their overall health. They know that without good health, achieving a fit body is almost impossible. That's why they have shared some of their favorite health tips which can help anyone in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Actress Jessica Alba recommends drinking plenty of water and incorporating probiotics into your diet to maintain gut health. She believes that a healthy gut leads to better digestion and improved immunity. Supermodel Miranda Kerr stresses the importance of getting enough sleep for good overall health. According to her, proper rest helps in reducing stress levels and enhances concentration levels throughout the day. Alicia Keys, singer-songwriter, encourages people to take time out for themselves every day. Whether it's through meditation or simply taking a walk outside, she believes that self-care is essential for mental well-being. Gisele Bündchen advocates eating organic foods whenever possible as they contain fewer toxins compared to conventional produce. She also emphasizes on consuming nutrient-dense foods like vegetables and fruits, which helps in building up your immune system. These celebrities understand the significance of leading a balanced life where both physical fitness and internal wellness coexist together harmoniously. By following these simple yet effective tips from them, anyone can lead a healthier life with ease. Celebrities share their favorite weight loss tips. Weight loss is a topic that always draws attention, especially when it comes to celebrities. Many famous people have shared their weight loss tips over the years, from tried and true methods like healthy eating and exercise to more unconventional approaches. One celebrity who has been open about her weight loss journey is Gisele Bündchen. She credits drinking lots of water and eating a balanced diet with helping her maintain her figure. Chrissy Teigen is another celeb who's spoken out about how she stays slim. The model said in an interview that she tries to eat healthy most of the time but doesn't deprive herself either. She also makes sure to get plenty of exercise, whether it's through yoga or playing tennis. Jessica Alba has credited portion control as being key to her maintaining a healthy weight. She also takes vitamins and supplements regularly for overall health benefits. Miranda Kerr has revealed that she follows a mostly plant-based diet, which helps keep her feeling energized throughout the day. Additionally, she practices intermittent fasting by skipping breakfast several times per week. Jennifer Aniston swears by starting every day with hot water and lemon juice for its detoxifying properties. She also eats plenty of lean protein and vegetables while avoiding processed foods whenever possible. Alicia Keys believes in taking care of mental health as well as physical health when it comes to losing weight. In addition to regular workouts, she loves dance cardio. She meditates daily to help stay focused on her goals. There are many different approaches celebrities take when it comes to losing weight, from simple lifestyle changes like drinking more water or practicing portion control, to more specific dietary plans like intermittent fasting or plant-based diets.